hook and natter, we're going to do the magic ring. So first of all, take the tail and put it over your palm of your hands. With your 2 fingers, wrap round once so you cross over and hold with your thumb, and wrap round again, going below the first wrap and tuck it under your thumb. Then with your hook, turn it face down so that the hook is pointing down, and slide it up the fingers, and so it goes over the first, under the first one and over the second. Turn and twist, and then pinch and hold. From there you take your yarn over and make a chain. That secures that knot. As we're doing a treble, we're doing 3 chains including that first one, and then you work into the magic loop and do your next treble. Continue round doing your next treble, and this is a granny square centre, so we're now going to do two chains for the corner, and as you can see I'm just tightening up the magic ring. There's your next treble and your second and a third. All the time you're working into the centre of the magic ring, which is really big at the minute because you haven't shrunk it. 2 chains for a corner, and we're just going to tighten up the tail, using the tail to make the magic ring smaller. Yarn over in the centre, there's a treble and second and your third. Two for the corner, and then your last side of this square. 1, 2, 3. Work your 2 chains, slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain on that first set 3. And then you can see that's what it looks like while it's worked. I'm holding it square as I pull the centre, pulling the tail to pull the centre of the magic ring tight. There you go, and you can see it's closed up the hole in the middle. There is no gap.